Okay, so we got a brand spanky new Sonata. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to change these lights, but I'm not going to do anything because I don't have them. But I'm going to show you what they are so you can do it. What are these? I got to get better at these. I hate these little bulbs because you can't see them. Look at this. What is this? You see what, W10? W10W? What is this? I gotta see what these are. I'm gonna start making packs myself for doing this. Put this back in. Yeah, let me pause this, put this back in. But I will show you how to take it off first. You see that? See how I took it off? It's not that hard. Start from the beginning. This goes up. You know, or not, you know, or not. There we go. Has to sort of find the hole. There you go. There you go. Right between the crack. Right between the crack. Pull this puppy out. You see? Now, let's do this one. Here's a little trick. Needle nose and electrical tape. And you can help grab the actual bulb. And you gotta push this aside. Just don't break it. Let me do it with both hands. I also hate these. Look at this. 23H28A. Is that what these are? So I grabbed it. These are kind of tricky to put back in. Doing it with one hand, yeah, you have to be careful because you don't want to lose this thing up in the headliner. So let me make sure this thing goes back properly. Carefully, Wesley. And then she's back in. So I want to make my own. So let me put this guy back and move on to the back. So just like the front, this guy. You want to put it right between the crack. Right between the crack. I think it's the same as the front. And voila. Alrighty, I gotta get better at these. You know what it is? I have to see better. That's what it is. Yeah. I think it's the same thing as the front. We'll put the link in the description. Here you go. Pop it back in. Backside first. Seals are longer. Backside first. Or should I say front side? That's the front of the car. Moving on. Now, license plate lights. A tab on one side. This is the passenger side. So one side goes up and in. So squeeze this guy in as you pull down, and it'll pop right out. Now, one hand, one hand. One hand, one hand. Now, let's see what these guys are. I swear, these buy the packages of like 40, and they'll give you whatever the hell, whatever you think you need. I can't see this thing. It won't focus. It's too small. I'll get it. I'll put it in the description. So there you have it. That's the whole car. So you got 2 on here, inside, 2 in the mirrors, and 2 in the lights. So there you have it. So like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.